coffee, huh? Okay, there. No, hombre. Fíjate que
Thinking some words I can't name ya. Meet you halfway, nothing to say. Still, I don't suppose I can blame ya. Seems to me, you don't wanna talk about it. Seems to me, you just turn your head and walk away. Walk
The James Gang, of course. You know, the rumors have been flying around that maybe they're going to put the band back together. I'd love it if they did. You know, I think that would be great to hear what's going on with those guys together again, because they all stay in touch. And as most of you know, Joe Walsh is a local boy, so it would be very, very cool. We're going to be listening to some Jeff Beck with Bex Bolero. I heard a little minuscule of Bex Bolero in a new song not long ago, and I'll be damned if I can remember what song it was. But, you know, it was kind of cool to hear just that one little tiny thing.
Take it easy, Rod.
We also have some David Bowie, and, you know, once he was asked by CBS to mix a recently recorded album by Iggy Pop. The production had been disaster because it had been left to Iggy Pop. And amazingly enough, most of the instrumentals were all on just one channel. So David came in and remixed it, and the album to this day is one of Iggy Pop's very best ones. As a matter of fact, there was a single that came out of that session too. That just happened to be Lou Reed's Walk on the Wild Side. David, you certainly did touch a lot of lives.
twisted. We'll be getting twisted.
Tires off the ground or wrong?
Wow.
back up. Make this turn. Give it a second. This guy moves. Couldn't see a road going straight, so I had to make sure that I didn't see what there's a car sitting down there. Cool. Driveway. They're all on the side.
Ground control's a major tom.
Alright, don't scare me.
Pills and put your helmet on. Ground control's a major tom. Commencing countdown, engines on.
What do you have it in? Value have it in high or low? Put a low just in case.
And may God's love be with you.
Alright, I'm on granny.
This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade. And the papers want to know whose shirt you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door. And I'm floating in a most peculiar way. And the stars look very different today. For here am I sitting in a tin can. Above the world. Planet Earth is blue and there's nothing I can do.
Got a pretty flowers. Purple.
Watch it for that boulder, Rock.
Look at the pretty flowers.
There's a boulder right here on the right, Pancho. You see it?
Got it, thanks.
To make a sharp turn here to your right when you get up this hill there, Rock. Copy that, Panchito. Roger. Hey, be very careful. They're almost lost it there, so be careful and make that turn there. it slow, Bucky. Take it slow.
We're gonna eat with a sandwich, man.
Maybe not really.
I said, we're gonna eat with a sandwich. Eat with chips.
No, there's Doritos.
Oh, okay.
Hear back-to-back Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductees on Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Radio. One of over 25 extra channels you can listen to on your phone with the Sirius XM app.
Medical Radio 165 Tacoma Avenue, Crescent Desert Willow Drive, Unit 138, Pharmacy 9 at 1132.
They're beer, no?
Yeah.
Steve, how's everything going? They're trying to figure out how to get them out.